With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, the problem is which of the following statements is incorrect. So how to find incorrect statement? First we check all the option and we can say that which one is the incorrect statement. So what is the A part? First we solve this A part, and A part two elements are there. The element is sulfur, comparison of sulfur and chlorine. So first we write the electronic configuration of sulfur 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p4. And electronic configuration of chlorine is what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p5. And after giving this one electron, this will convert it into S plus, and this will convert it into Cl plus. This will give one electron because we are finding electronic, this is ionization energy. So we are giving one electron, removing, then this electronic configuration converted into all the things are same, but this will convert into 3p3, and this converted into what? This 3p4. And which one is give easily one electron? In the third part, with this, then this will convert into S2 plus, and this will convert into Cl2 plus, which give easily one electron. This or this? This will give easily, because this will give easily one electron, because this, after giving one electron, this will convert into half filled orbital. This will convert into half filled orbital, and we know that half filled orbital are more stable. This is half filled, we are writing over here half filled orbital. So the reason is half filled orbital are more stable. So this will convert into 3p3 after giving one electron from this element, after giving one electron. So this is half filled p orbital, half filled. So this will less energy. That means the sulfur have more energy. Yes, second I said this will the correct statement. Now we finding incorrect statement. So we check B option as well. So B option is what? Comparison between aluminium and phosphorus. So here we write aluminium and here we write phosphorus. And first we write the electronic configuration of both the element. This electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. And here phosphorus have 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 2p6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and this is 3p3. And we are finding third ionization energy, so we convert it into first, this will Al plus, and this will P plus, and then this will A2 plus, and this P2 plus. So now after that this will convert into 3p0, and this is 3s2, and this is 3p2, and there this is 3s1, and this will convert into 3p1. So which one give easily one electron? This will give easily one electron, because this is the large unit. Here this 3s after this, so that means this is the sign we are using, so that means this is also greater, so this is also the correct statement. Now we check C option, C part. So here we write C part. In this C part, the problem is first ionization energy of aluminium is same as gallium. So aluminium and gallium, these are the both are the in the same group. So aluminium and gallium, this have more electron difference between this, because the cell is, let's say this is the size of aluminium, this is the size of aluminium, and the size of gallium is this, because the more the cells in gallium. So not the same. This gallium gives easily, so this have less energy. Gallium has ionization energy of gallium is less than aluminium. That means this is not the correct statement, this is the wrong statement. So this is our right answer. Second ionization energy of boron and carbon. So we consider boron and carbon in the D option. D part is boron and carbon comparison. So here we write boron and here we write carbon. First we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. This is not the case. First we write over here 1s2, 2s2. This is not the chlorine, this is the carbon. So this is carbon, and here we write what is electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, and this is what 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Now which one give easily one electron? Because we are finding second energy, so this will convert it into B plus, and this will convert it into C plus, so this will give 0 over here, and this will give this. So which one is give easily one electron? Because this is only unit electron, then this is give easily, so this is the sign. That means this is also the correct answer. Second ionization energy of this greater than carbon. So D is also the correct statement. So C is wrong answer, and this is our correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.